as a steel body, enter, and here rename as a copper. Now we will create a model. Here double click on a model. In model you can see in geometry steel body and copper body. From here you can select as structural steel and structural steel. Okay, structural steel, and here copper alloy. You can see this one is a copper. In copper, go here, go and select copper alloy, and in steel select and structural steel. Okay, we are applied both. Generate mesh. Right click and generate mesh. Is generating. This is generated in steady state thermal. Apply temperature. Firstly you need to just click on here and apply. After that select a steady state thermal and convection. Where is convection? Here, convection, and select all phases. Apply it, and in this give fill coefficient as the value is 50. Enter, and in ambient temperature give as 20. Enter. Now in solution solve. You can see it is a solve. These all informations are there, and you can see this is a created. Thank you. This session is completed.